This is a break and retest. This is a break and retest. There are 5 things that comes together to form your trading strategy. And those 5 things are called your confluences. Now, what are your confluences? Your confluences are break and retest, support and resistance, trend confirmation, candlestick confirmation, and Fibonacci retracement. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you should know that I only trade a break and retest. How do you trade a break and retest? All right, how do you make money trading break and retest? In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to trade break and retest and how you can make money trading break and retest. All right, now let's do an example right now. If you can see now, whenever the market is on a bullish move, the market will be giving you a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. If you can see, guys, this was a break and a retest here. And this is a break and retest here. And this is a break and retest here. This is a break and retest here. We as a price action traders now, we take advantage of the support. We buy from support and we sell from resistance, right? You can see this was the former resistance that was broken, turned into a support, pull back to retest and turn into a support. Former resistance that was broken, pull back, turn your support into, turn your resistance into a support, right? Right now, if you have the market moving to the upside, you have the market giving you a series of higher highs, right? Around this level and higher low just like this. Now, this higher high here is your recent resistance. This is your resistance. How do we take advantage of it? We must wait for the market to break our resistance zone, turn it into a support. Then this is a break of structure and this is a retest. You understand? And now the market wants to continue its normal buying move, right? Now, let's do example of a bearish move. If the market is on a bearish move, the market will be giving you a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, then lower lows and lower highs. Right now, if you can see here now, this lower lows here is your support zone. Now you have the market break your lower lows, pull back, turn your support into a resistance around this level. That's an opportunity for you to buy, to sell. All right. If the market is on a bearish move, you should only be looking to sell. And as you can see here, this recent zone now is your support, right? If you extend to this level, the market broke your support, turn your support into a resistance around this level. Then you do what? Then you look to sell just like this. You understand? This is how we trade a break and retest. This is how you should be trading a break and retest as a price action trader. Now, let me show you guys an example of break and retest on chart. As you can see here, guys, what we have here, the market gave us a resistance around this level. We have a resistance, and now the market came all the way down to give us a support, and now give us a resistance again. We have to draw our zone from here, a key level from here, from this recent resistance, and extend. Now, what did the market do? The market dropped all the way from that resistance zone, break resistance, turn your resistance into a support around this level, and boom, you can see the market bought all the way up before even dropping. Right now, as you can see here, this is a support, just like this. This is a support just like this right now. And as you can see, the market broke your support zone, turn your support into a resistance, and boom, now the market is coming all the way down. You understand? Whenever you have a break and retest, you should be looking for buying opportunity. All right, or selling opportunity whenever you have a break and a retest. All right. Now, what we are seeing here on the 30-minute time frame on gold market, we have the first shoulder here, just like this. Then we have a head and we have the second shoulder just like this. This is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder. Now the market break the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, and right now we are waiting for retest before we can take our long opportunity here, before we can take our buying opportunity or buying position. All right, so guys, if you want to take a break and retest trade, there are candlesticks that you should be looking at for. A bullish engulfing for buying opportunity, a bearish engulfing for selling opportunity, a morning star for buying opportunity, and an evening star for selling opportunity. Those are the candlesticks you should be waiting for whenever you have a break and retest like this, whenever you have a break of structure just like this and a retest. All right, this movement now may be a weak rejection all the way to the upside, and whenever it happens, you should be looking to buy just like this. Now let's look for more key levels Now let's look for more break and retest. Let me show you guys how you should be trading the break and retest and how break and retest works. All right. So right now, from this level right now, if you can see, we have a resistance zone here. Right. The market drop all the way, rally. The market drop all the way, rally around that level, all the way to this level, and still the market break your resistance zone here, pull back to retest. All right. Then the market give you a what? The market give you a morning star just like this. This is a buying opportunity for you. All right, this is a buying opportunity for you. This is how a break and retest works. Now, both of you, some of you may be asking, on what time frame can I trade a break and retest? Depend on your entry time frame, right? As for me, I wait for a break and retest on 1 hour time frame, which is my POI time frame. I'll wait for the market to pull back to my POI point of interest, then I can look to buy. Whenever the market pull back to my POI, just like this, you can see, let's say as at this time, this market was not here. We just have a resistance here, right? Let me show you guys. You just have a resistance here, right? And now you have the market break your resistance zone. Now you can see the market pull back to your POI point of interest and give you a double bottom. Even without this double bottom, if you can see here, we just have a morning star around that level. And that is a buying opportunity just like this. Just like this, all right? This is a buying opportunity. Guys, this is how you should trade a break and retest. This is how you should take advantage of break and retest. If you've been following my video for a while now, you should know that the only strategy I use is support and resistance. Then my entry system or my trading system is the break and retest, just like this, right? Just like this. Just take a look now, guys. We have a support here, right? The market broke our support, pull back to retest here and gave us what? And the market gave us what? Around here, the market gave us an evening star just like this. And an evening star is a confirmation for you to look for a buying opportunity, 1 to 4 around that level. So guys, this is how you should trade the break and retest. This is the best break and retest strategy video you ever watch on YouTube here. So guys, before we end this video, if you want me to mentor you, you can click on the link in the description box right now. We're currently on 40% discount. You should click on the link in the description box right now, or you can send me a message on Telegram. So if you like this video, I want you to like, comment, share, and turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. Peace.